Cash in your pocket, financial freedom, an opportunity to quit your 9-to-5 grind. Could these be more than just pipe dreams? Welcome to Rapid Growth Online, your ultimate destination for financial literacy and empowerment. Do you dream about escaping the monotony of the daily rat race? Long for the freedom to explore your passions without worrying about the next paycheck? Do you crave the security of passive income, the thrill of the startup rush, the satisfaction of knowing you are your own boss? You're not alone. And with Rapid Growth Online, you can transform those dreams into tangible, achievable reality. This is the channel that is specially crafted for your financial evolution, offering insightful content, innovative strategies, and real-life success stories. So, get ready to embark on an exciting journey towards financial independence with us. Welcome to Rapid Growth Online, your go-to channel for turning those dreams into reality. In today's digital age, opportunities to generate income through online platforms are indeed plentiful. One may wonder though, with the vast array of options at our disposal, which path offers the most potential for success while maintaining anonymity? The key question that continuously surfaces is, how can an individual initiate a steady stream of income without revealing their identity or even lending their unique voice? Today, we are embarking on a journey to dissect this intriguing aspect of modern entrepreneurship. The primary aim is to understand the dynamics of how to maintain anonymity while building a profitable business on one of the most popular online platforms, YouTube. In a world where personal privacy is becoming increasingly scarce, the concept of a faceless YouTube channel is not only appealing, but also highly practical. This concept isn't new, but it has gained significant momentum in recent years, thanks to the rapid advancements in technology. Artificial intelligence, in particular, has played a massive role in the surge of this phenomenon. AI allows us to create engaging content without the need for human intervention, a novel idea that seemed impossible a few decades ago. We are not talking about covert operations or anything clandestine. This is about creating a channel where the content takes the center stage, not the creator. You get to remain behind the scenes, letting your creativity shine through your work without the need to step into the limelight. It's an interesting twist to the idea of fame, isn't it? We are also going to dive into the essentials of starting this venture. From selecting the right content niche, understanding audience behavior, using AI tools to create and manage content, to marketing strategies for your faceless channel, we will guide you through it all. That's what we're unraveling today. The secrets of starting a successful faceless YouTube channel with the help of artificial intelligence in 2024. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept of the future. It has firmly established itself in our present-day landscape, becoming a pivotal player in shaping how we navigate through life. Its omnipresence can be felt in numerous areas of our daily lives. From altering how we communicate, to how we perform our jobs, and even to how we consume entertainment, AI has truly become a game changer. Take, for instance, YouTube. This dynamic platform has evolved the years and is now widely recognized for more than just a site for video sharing. It has transformed into a thriving ecosystem that promotes creativity, knowledge exchange, and skill development. Not to mention the potential it holds for monetization. YouTube has opened doors for individuals across the globe, granting them the ability to turn their unique talents and expertise into profitable ventures. Yet it's not all about the spotlight. Many have found their niche: the scenes, shaping content, editing videos, and even managing channels. There's an arena for everyone, regardless of whether they desire to be on center stage. But not everyone wants to be in the limelight, and that's perfectly fine. Imagine creating content about your passion, sharing it with the world, and watching your bank balance increase, all while remaining anonymous. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve a little deeper and understand how this is possible. The foundation of this journey towards content creation lies in identifying your niche, your area of expertise. It's about finding that one thing that you're genuinely passionate about. Could be anything, really. There's no limit to what you could share with the world. You be a culinary wizard, or perhaps a genius when it comes to cracking codes in the world of programming. Maybe you're a fitness enthusiast or a financial whiz. The horizon is limitless and the choice is yours. The secret to success in this endeavor is to find a niche that not only you love, but one that you have a deep understanding of. Once you've found your niche, the next part is exploring the world of artificial intelligence. This is where things get exciting. In today's technologically advanced world, there are endless AI tools at your disposal that can assist you in creating captivating content. The best part? You don't even need to step in front of a camera or use your voice. Sounds unbelievable, right? There are several features available today, from text-to-speech software that can convert your written words into spoken ones, to sophisticated AI-driven video editing tools that can make your content look professional. The world of AI has opened up an ocean of opportunities for content creators around the globe. To sum it up, it's about turning your passion into content, sharing it with the world, and seeing your bank balance rise without ever revealing your identity. From text-to-speech software to AI-driven video editing tools, the possibilities are endless. Now, you might be wondering, how do I ensure my videos reach my target audience? This is a question that many content creators grapple with. The answer to this conundrum lies in understanding and utilizing the power of YouTube's search engine optimization, often abbreviated as SEO. This tool, if used correctly, can significantly amplify your content's reach. Secret lies in harnessing the right keywords. These keywords need to be strategically placed in your video title, the description section, and the tags. By effectively doing this, you can make your content more discoverable to your target audience. You can ensure your content gets discovered by the right people. Naturally, the power of consistency cannot be stressed enough. It's all about a persistent dedication to your craft. Rising up in the ranks of the digital world demands a regular supply of premium, high-value content. This continuous stream of quality posts is a direct reflection of your commitment and can undeniably be the difference between stagnation or growth. It molds not only your channel but your online reputation as well. This, in truth, is the cornerstone for expanding your channel, and inevitably, the key to unlocking your potential for generating a sizable income online. So there you have it. The blueprint for starting a prosperous, faceless YouTube channel with AI in 2024. To start, simply take the first step. Financial freedom awaits. Like and subscribe to Rapid Growth Online. Share this with those who might find it useful. Till our next interaction, keep learning and growing.